Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel. I am OT Josh. Now I'm taking a reversal trade against the trend. Yeah, because I know this candle may close as a red candle, but definitely above my entry point. Why? Because if you look closely, I'm using a good entry point at the wick of the previous candle. So let's see how this one goes. Okay, so we had a win there and it was a very close win. So now I'm going to go with the put. Why am I doing this? Because I was expecting a green candle here, but you can see the wick was very small, showing that there is still selling pressure in the market. That's why I went for a put. And this is how it seems like okay, it will go up, but during the expiration you find out that it comes down. And in a case like this, you don't have to panic, because when you panic, it puts you out of the game. So let's wait and see how this one goes. We have about 10 seconds left, and I believe it's going to close in the morning because this is not new. Okay, and the volatility of the market is not really good, so we are having close, you see, close entries. So I'll wait to see what we have now. Let me see. Okay. Okay, okay, I would like to do a call, but I would do it for 2 minutes because I believe for the next 2 minutes it will go up. For this candle, I think it's still going to go down, but for the next 2 minutes, I believe it will go up. So let's see how it goes, and then I'll try to give some explanation of the trade. Okay, in this case, it's producing a huge candle, better for us. So let's see how it goes. And then at the end of this quick 3 minutes, I think this theory trade in 3 minutes. Wow, yeah, theory trade in 3 minutes. I think it's very fast, and this is how I like to trade. And I run away from the market because it can get you if you think you are too smart. So I'll explain to you how I my thinking process behind this trade. So let's just wait. Once we're done with this trade, will be coming back. As you can see, change of polarity. See, look at this. Can you see this? Resist, support, support. This candlestick broke, and here becomes resistance. It came back here, it went down, and this is what is happening here again. So if you can see these things, straight logic, but then because of this strong momentum, it's not advisable. Because of this candle, it's not advisable to go at once with a call trade. At least you need to see some kind of weakness in the buyer's momentum here, and then you can go for the call trade. But if you put the Bollinger Band, you can see, I think right here there should be a reversal coming. You see what I'm saying? That I think a change of trend is coming in. So and we don't really know what is happening here, because if you look at the long term, look at only just this lace here, you can see the Bollinger Band, the middle Bollinger Band, how it forms a very perfect trend line. You can see what a trend line is. Very perfect trend line from, let me say, okay, starting from somewhere here, around here. Excuse me. This is a very good trend line starting from somewhere around here, and the middle Bollinger Band helps us to get that well. You can see somewhere around here, and even here we still see other ones. And now the candlestick is breaking this trend line. You see, it's breaking it. So I think this is a change of trend. That will be a story or a topic for another day. And I've even talked about the trend line before in the previous videos. So let's go back to why I took this trade. Let's see. Okay, the first trade was this trade here. Now, if you look at this, we have a downtrend, like I showed you, a downward trend line. So when you see a candlestick like this, excuse me, when you see something like this now, when you see candlestick pattern like this is what do we call it? A morning star. You see a reversal, a hammer, a spinning top. These are all reversal sign, and then you see a morning star. But in the continuation, we saw a weak candle. Now, your thinking at this point should be okay, there is reversal in the market, but then the momentum with this reversal is not too strong. So let me observe more. So I'm putting my resist, my support here. We know the price is supporting here. And when price comes back here, you can go with this call, but that's not the point. Now we see another candlestick with a long lower wick. This is what a hammer, a bearish hammer. Now, what this bearish hammer is saying is saying that the market is going to reverse. But if you think about this way, look at this candle now. This is a green candle which was supposed to produce another green candle. So for this market, this candle is saying that the market is supposed to reverse, but the buyer's momentum, the one we saw here that was weak, is we still have weak momentum. That's why this candle was not being able to change to red, to green. Sorry, this candle remains green. Otherwise, since this is green, this should have been a green, assuming the momentum was really strong. Like this one, there is a green candle, a strong momentum, a green candle. So since it was not strong, it shows that even though the price wants to reverse, the buyer's momentum is not still strong. So the price is going to go to a price level. The market will go to a price level whereby the buyer's momentum becomes strong. And where is that price level? Is at the next step. Is at the next step, and this is the next step. You see, 898.9000. Yes, this is it. This is the next point where we believe, according to price action, that the buyers will be strong here. This round number here. So now, since this candlestick came, you can see how this wick here. You see how this wick here is small, right? It shows that the buyers here were not strong enough to change this candle to green. So sellers came down. We are now heading to this place where where we all know the buyers will be strong. And this is why I took the first trade. I took it here as a put option, not a call option. I took it here. Oh, sorry, as a call option, right? Yes, I took it as a call option. Why? Because I knew that the market is below this week and buyers will definitely come in this candle. Now, when I took it, I was expecting again that this candle would change to a green. It didn't change into a green. So I knew there will still be sellers attempting to come down. This candle, I was expecting a candlestick like this kind of candle, whereby the body is very small, like this kind of candle, whereby the body is very small and the body will be red, but it changed as green. So therefore, I knew already buyers are around. I took a call trade here because this candle I was expecting a green, it didn't happen. So I went with sellers. And then when I went with sellers couldn't still change this candle to red. Now it has confirmed to me that okay, buyers are now present. But I don't know when buyers will come in because there is a lot of drama going on here. So I decided to go for a 2 minute call. And when I went for that 2 minute call, the buyers came in with force and it's for my own good. So this is how it is. Yeah, this is how it is. So we did those three trades within 3 minutes. Within 3 minutes, we've done those three trades. And as you can see, I think this is the first trend line I drew. You see, the market is going to do a fake breakout from there. So this is how we trade, and this is how much we made for these 3 minutes and three trade. So if you're new here, please do wait to like, share, and subscribe. The Telegram group is open where I give the free signals. Subscribers are already making profits. They've already doubled their account according to one of my subscribers and his students. So please, if you really want to take your trading serious, you don't have to pay anything. Go to the Telegram channel and start using the signals. It's for 1 hour. It lasts for 1 hour. You don't have to rush. All you have to do is to plan yourself and you'll find out that at the end of the month you have something to fall back on. I think this is as much as I can do for the community, for our YouTube subscribers. So until next time, I want you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take care and bye bye.